Good morning students. Hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class what we discussed? In the last class we discussed the exercise number 1.2, right? So I hope everyone understood the topic properly, right? Whatever the given, what I had given that is the number name, right? And as well as the expanded form of the number as well as the standard form of the number, okay? That one we done in the last class, okay? So now today we'll study the international place value chart, okay? Till now you studied the Indian system of a place value chart, but now international place value chart. According to the Indian system, what is the place value chart? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, next lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Understanding? But according to the international place value chart, what is the place values here? First will be the ones, second tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, okay? Next will be the million, 10 million, 100 million, okay? We'll see the place value chart now, that is international place value chart. Okay, international place value chart. So first one, that will be the, okay, so first right here ones, this will be the tens, and next will be the hundreds, okay? Next one is the thousands, next will be the 10,000, 10,000, next is a 100,000, 100,000, okay? Next is a million, 10 million, okay? Next will be the 100 million, 100 million, okay? So here, what are the place values here? Once again, observe everyone properly. So according to the Indian system, wait. Okay. So according to the international system, Indian system means that is a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that 10,000, next will be the lakh, 10 lakh, as well as the crore, 10 crore according to the Indian. But according to the international system, okay, international system, what is the international place value chart here? The first place value will be the 1, okay, ones, and next will be the tens, and next will be the hundreds, after that thousands, after that 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, according to the Indian, see here, what is the difference between an Indian place value chart as well as the international place value chart? Observe here properly. Okay, first will be the ones here, right? Next will be the tens. After that, hundreds you got, right? Next will be the thousands. Okay, next will be the 10,000s. Next will be the lakh. Next 10 lakh, right? After that, crore. Wait, below only I'll write. Thousands below and 10,000 below. You will get here 10,000 only, right? In 100,000 below, you will get a lakh here, and million below 10 lakh you will get, and here this will be the crore, and this will be the 10 crore. So understand the difference between the Indian place value chart as well as the what? International place value chart. Okay, then only you can easily remember these things. Otherwise it's difficult. Okay, just know the difference between the Indian place value chart as well as the international place value chart. Then you can remember these things easily. Understanding what I am saying here? Okay, fine. So according to the international place value chart, first place value is ones. After that tens. After that hundreds. Next thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Understanding? According to the international. Okay. Now according to the Indian means that is a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. According to the Indian place value chart. Okay. So what is the difference here? See here. The first place value in the international as well as the in Indian. Both are same. Yes. Here both are same. Understanding? Next. After that, next also tens is there. These two are also same. Next after that 100. That is also same. Next thousands and here also thousands. Right? So 1,000 means here also 1,000. Same thing is there. After that here we are having a 10,000. In Indian also we are having a 10,000. That also same thing. Okay. Next one. But in international we are having the 100,000 here. Right? So we are having a 100,000. But in Indian system we are having a lakh. Right? The place value is here lakh. But the international 100,000 is there. Then what is here? What we can conclude here? Lakh, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. That is the meaning. Okay? 100,000 in the international is nothing but in Indian that is the lakh place. Okay? So lakh is always is equal to in 100,000. Lakh is nothing but 100,000. Okay? Next, 10 lakh means it is a million. 10 lakh means it's a 1 million. Okay? Next, 1 crore means 10 million. 10 crore means 100 million. Okay? These are the same things here. Observe properly. Okay? In international we are having the 100,000 and million and 10 million and here will be the 100 million. But in Indian what we are having here? Lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Only these four things changes here. Understanding what I am saying here? So lakh means in Indian we can say 1 lakh is equal to in international that will be the 100,000. Okay? 10 lakh is equal to 1 million and 1 crore is equal to 10 million and 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Okay? You know, see here how many zeros for ones place? For ones place how many zeros? No zeros for ones place. For tens, 2 zeros. For tens, 2 zeros. For 100, for 10 only 1 zero. Sorry. Okay. So for ones, no zeros. For tens, only 1 zero. Okay. For hundreds, 2 zeros. For 100, 2 zeros. For 1,000, 3 zeros. Okay. For 10,000, 4 zeros. I'll write here 0. Okay, here nothing is zeros. 1 0. Here 2 zeros. Okay, you have to remember this one. For 1,000, 3 zeros. Okay, for 10,000, 4 zeros. Okay, here for 100,000, 5 zeros. Next, for million, 6 zeros. Okay. For 10 million, 7 zeros. Okay. For 100 million, 8 zeros. Okay. You have to remember these things also. Okay. If I ask how many zeros for the 100 million, then you have to say 8 zeros. Okay. Remember all those things. For tens, 1 0. For hundreds, 2 0. For 1,000, 3 0. 10,000, 4 0. 100,000, 5 0. Million, 6 0. 10 million, 7 0. And 100 million, 8 0. Okay. Next, here also same thing. For ones, no zeros. Here will be the 1 0. And hundreds, 2 zeros are there. Right. And for 1,000, 3 zeros. Right. 10,000, 4 zeros. For lakh, 5 zeros. Okay. For 10 lakh, 6 zeros. Next, for crore, 7 zeros. Okay. For 10 crore, 8 zeros. Understanding what I am saying here? So this is the concept of the place value chart. Understand properly. Okay. See here, international place value chart as well as the Indian place value chart. Already you studied the Indian place value chart. Still I am once again telling, because to know the difference between the international as well as the Indian. For that reason again I am telling this one. Getting everyone? Okay. So this is the international place value chart and this will be the Indian place value chart. Okay. So according to the international, we are having a ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. According to the Indian, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. I hope everyone perfect with the place value chart. Okay. If anyone asks you, then think calm and be cool and say the answer. Okay. Don't take any tension because it's a very easy concept. Right. I hope everyone understood. So based on this international place value chart, we are having the exercise number 1.3. Okay, open everyone. Page number, open your textbook everyone. That is page number 24. Okay, page number 24, exercise number 1.3. Now we will solve the exercise number 1.3. 1.3. In 1.3, what is the first main here? Think everyone. Read the question first. Okay. That is, write the numbers for the following number names and mark the periods using the commas. Okay. They told here, write the numbers. They given here a number name. You have to write the numbers. Okay. If they given in an international system, then how to put a commas? For three numbers you have to put the comma. According to the Indian, first 3, after 2. Okay. According to the Indian, first 3 numbers, after that 2 numbers you have to put the comma. But according to the international system of enumeration, you have to put the commas for a 3 numbers. Everywhere you have to consider 3 numbers in a international system. Okay. So now we'll begin with the first mail. They given a number name here and we have to write the number with the commas. Okay. So what is the first one here? 27 million. 27 million. Right. So for million, how many zeros? For million, how many zeros? For million, just now I told, right? So for million, how many zeros? That will be the 6 zeros, right? So now right here they given a number name, right? Number name, and you have to write the number with commas. Okay. Now we'll write. So first one will be the 27 million. 27 million. Okay. 27 million. For million, how many zeros? 6 zeros. Right? For 100,000, 5 zeros. But for million, 6 zeros are there. So first write 27. First write the number 27 here. Okay. So 6 zeros right. Right? So now how to put the commas here? For 3 numbers you have to put the commas. Getting everyone? For 3 numbers Wait one second. Yeah, it is correct. 27 million. Read here. This will be the ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. This will be the thousand, 10,000, 100,000. This will be the million, 10 million. So what we can say here? 27 million. 27 million. For million, 6 zeros. So after 27, write the 6 zeros. And how to put the comma? For three numbers, you have to put the commas according to the international system. Understanding? Okay, fine. So now, beat one. So can I write direct answers here? Okay, because the question in textbook only. Okay, refer this one. In textbook, they given a here number names. Okay, so I don't write that number names on the board. Okay, because it will take a time. So just give the answers here. So first one will be the 5,045,817. 5,000,000, okay, and 45,000. 5,000,000. 45,000 means if 100,000 there will be the zero value, right? So here 0. 45,000. Next will be the 817. Understanding? Understanding, right? See, think. For three numbers you have to put the commas here. So here will be the ones, tens, hundreds. This is the one. Okay. Next will be the 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So here is one. Next, million, 10 million. Okay. Next will be the 100 million. Okay. This will be the same. See here, they given a 870, that will be the last one. And after that, only 45,000 they given. In a 1,000 place value, there will be three values. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. But they given only 45 means 45 will come here only. So in 100 place, what is the number? 0 is the number. Nothing is there means you have to write the 0. Okay. Next, million means here 5. So 5,045,870. 5,045,870. Okay. So next, seat one. What is the seat one answer? Seat one is 20,200,013. Okay. 20,200,000. 20 million is 20 million. Okay. Next. How many thousands? 200,000. 200,000. In a 10,000 and a 1,000 place there will be 0 value. 200,000. 200,000. 13. In 100 there is 0. So this is the number name. So here 20,200,013. Okay. So next, deep one. What is the deep one here? Deep one is 74,009,000. Okay, 74,009,855. 855. Okay. Next, what is the eighth one? 8,450,000. 450,000. Okay, 8,450,000. Next, yes. Okay, 36 million. 36 million. 3,003. 3,003. Okay, 36 million 3,003 here. And after that, G1. What is the G1 here? 3 million. 15,000. 15,700. Okay. Next will be the last one. Last one is 31 million H. Okay. Last one is 31 million. 31 million 577. Means 1000 place values are all are 00 here. 577. Okay. 31 million 500. Can I write once again this? 03 here and it will be the 00. Okay. So 31 million 577. That is the number name. Understanding everyone? Okay. So next we'll go to the second main. Okay. The first main is over. Now we'll go with the second main. Write the following numbers in a words. Now in a words means you have to write the number name. Okay. That is a 50 million 50,000 50. The first one 50 million 50,000 50. Okay. We'll write some more. Second name. We given a numbers, you have to write the number name. Second name 81. Okay. So first 50 million. 50 million. Don't write a comma here. 50,000 50. Okay. 50 million 50,000 50. Like that you have to write the number name here. Okay. And what is the weak one here? Weak one is a 72,342,987. Okay. First write 72 million 72 million. Okay. Next 342,000. Okay. 342,000. Okay. 87, right? 987. Okay. So 72,342,987. Understanding? 72,342,987. The number name. Getting everyone? Now what is the third one now? See it one. 7,777,900. Okay, right. First 7 million 777,000. Okay. Next 900. So how to write the number name? 7,777,900. This is the number name. Okay. Like this you have to write. Next DEFGH. That will be the homework for you. Okay. DEFGH. 5 number name they given. Number name how to write. That is the homework for you. Okay. Homework is solve the exercise number 1.3 in a HW. First main, second main. Okay. Till second main right. Next I will tell. Okay. So 1.3. Solve the 1.3 first main and second main. That is the homework for you. Okay. So hope everyone understood this class. So We'll see you in the next class. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Take care everyone. Thank you.